Hello and welcome back to TCSN. On October 28, 2016, at approximately 11:35, ISIS fighters started to herd and force tens of thousands of people, innocent hostages, out of their homes and out of the streets, and pushed them towards the city of Mosul to use as a human shield. The United Nations said this. These ISIS fighters are moving people out of the streets in their homes and pushing them in front of them. So when the other ISIS group comes in contact, they would be the first to get shot and stabbed. And now on to Taylor with state news.
Just last Sunday in the small town of Noblesville, a house had a huge explosion causing lots of damage. Last Sunday afternoon, a house near 156th Street and Summer Road had a huge explosion. Chief Rick Russell said the damage was from a natural gas explosion. No one was hurt, luckily, but there was lots of damage. There was said to be a second-floor bathroom hanging halfway down to the first floor. Walls were blown out. One person said he thought a car hit his house. Neighbors also said they heard a large explosion that shook their houses and windows. It also lifted the roof, and people in distance felt it. And contractors were almost done finishing that. In the next month, people could have had a new home. It was a natural gas leak, and damage is going to cost up to $300,000. Hopefully everything can get cleared out and returned back to normal because lots of damage was done. And next up is Brooke with Science Tech News.
There are plants all around us. They're outside, in your yard, and even in your house. Certain types of plants and greenery can actually suck up pollutants and gases in your house that normal house items give off. Some of the items that give off the gases are paint, furniture, printers, and cleaning supplies. These items can release different types of toxic gases into the air in your house. These gases are very dangerous, and by inhaling too many of them can lead to side effects such as asthma, dizziness, liver and/or kidney damage, and cancer. Certain plants suck up the pollutants through the air and get rid of them, leaving the air in your house easier to breathe in, and it keeps it clean. The air indoors usually has anywhere from 3 to 5 times greater concentration of harmful chemicals than outdoor air. The plants are able to get rid of the chemicals and gases because they enter through the stomata, which are tiny openings in the plant's leaves and stems. Once the gases are inside the stomata, the plant's enzymes, which are the proteins, break down the gases into smaller and harmless chemicals. This process is very important because people can't usually smell the chemicals and they don't realize anything's wrong. These plants are very helpful, keeping our air clean and not polluted, and making it easier to breathe. Plants are good for more than just a decoration, so you should go and buy yourself a houseplant.
A Yale-led research team used a new gene editing strategy to correct mutations that cause thalassemia, a form of anemia. The technique provided corrections to the mutation. The editing techniques have the potential to treat blood disorders that run in families. The research team identified a protein from bone marrow that has the ability to activate stem cells, which are the cells that are most responsive to gene editing. They combined the protein with synthetic molecules known as PNAs, which act like DNA. This causes the cells to repair processes to fix the disease-causing mutation. That's it for TCSN. Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Hashtag. Follow me on Instagram, spooky. Hashtag DeAndre J. Hashtag follow me on Twitter, DeAndre Jackson. Follow my extra account, Jackson DeAndre. Follow my YouTube, DeAndre Jackson.
What